Fridge. Once I went to the fridge, saw out fridge, a jug in there, and I thought, what's in it? A syrup. What syrup? Syrup. Smell it. Smells nice. Finger in, lick it. Fridge. Tastes nice. Lift the fridge, the jug, drink a bit. Oh, this is good. This is peach syrup. Tinned peach fridge. What a fridge. So I drank a lot. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge, saw our fridge. What's in it? A fridge. What syrup? What syrup? Drinks peach. Oh yes, this is the jug. And drink more again. Drink and drink some more. Jug and drink the lot. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge, saw out of the fridge. What's in it? The fridge. Yes, here we go again. Lift the fridge and fill my mouth with that thick, sweet cooking oil. This isn't. My mouth is full of oil. Put that there. I wonder who.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, 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 yes,
Yes, yes, yes, yes, yes, yes, yes.
yes, 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 yes.
Watch out, everybody. The
Chocolate cake.
toes really